Very cute.
Okay, the next is Joanne. Okay. Okay, so we will resume with the games. Yeah, after the game, we will have another lucky draw and then
Tapos may ano pa,
okay?
mauna na ako. Pwede, pagpaano kasi gift lang naman yung mga nagawa na yan. Ito lang kukuha lang. Kasi ang tagal. Oo, matagal kasi sabi ni Brother Anthony hanggang alas 9 kasi hindi ko alam ang laro. Saka ako naman, ligawin kong alaga ko. So kailangan kakain siya ng ano, about 8 o'clock. So syempre, ano ba ako dyan? Kaya sabihin mo,
Where's my assistant?
Assistant, where are you? Ay, pala yung ano yan?
Okay, babe. The next game is called I Will Always Love You.
Wow!
That's true. So we will going to play the song I Will Always Love You. And then there is a portion there that you will have to make sure that you have
Yung totoo
to
po lang.
like, okay. You will play the song, yeah. And then you have to make sure. Wait,
But
there's a portion there. There's a dog. So you have to make sure you're eating the same note, same as the music.
Sasabayan yung ganon. Yung beat. Hindi. Yung word yung wala. I-stop nila tapos gaganon siya tapos ano yung word mo. Okay. Maganda mo yung table niyo. Maganda yun. Hindi kasi may tao dito.
Pagka-stop, ganun mo?
Hindi.
Pag nag-stop sila, yun yung
stop,
words.
Yun yung word na missing. Yun yung kulang.
yung susunod. Kung saan nag-stop yung susunod na
Oo,
word.
yun ang
Okay.
We will guess the missing word, right?
Not
Ano
only
ba?
the same word, but there is a portion there wherein there's a drum that you will have to hit that note in order for you to win.
Ano problem?
It's like,
Kailangan ko ng tissue.
the lyrics will start and then. We will play the sample at the.
Tapos ka na pa?
When we play it from the.
Kasi itatapon ko sana.
Kanina na yung part.
actually, please don't touch or put down all the phones for now. Because we need you not to cheat. Because it's in your phone where you can get your answers. So you have to put down all your phones at the moment.
Okay.
And then, yeah, okay, be honest. So it's actually the mechanics of the game we will be dividing participants into 4 teams. So each team, we will give you a printed MOH prayer worksheet with missing words. No cheating. The MOH prayer is the one that we always pray during Sundays before the start of the Mass. So we will give each of the teams the paper with missing words, and then the team will have to guess the missing word. Okay? So each of the team will comprise of 5
Wala na,
members.
isa lang.
5 members. Yeah, so 5. So for example, this one.
Eddie!
Eddie!
5 members.
Go, Eddie!
Five members for each group.
What is it?
5 members for each group. So we will be giving you the sheet which contains the MOH prayer that we pray every
Ikaw na, Jo.
Sunday.
Ikaw na, Jo. Ikaw na.
Okay?
Ikaw.
Only 2 groups? Only 2 groups? Okay then, Ken.
2 groups.
The prize for this one is the Starbucks package. Starbucks package, everyone. Okay, 5 members. Where's the 5 members? Yeah, there are 5. And then there's 5. Okay. Please don't use your phones. Otherwise, you'll be disqualified. Okay. So we will be giving you 2 minutes to fill in the missing words. 2 minutes to fill in the missing words, okay? 2 minutes. Oh, they're also joining? Yeah. Okay, so please do we have 3 groups now. 3 groups now. Okay. Okay. Don't see yet. Don't open yet. Don't open yet. Okay, don't open yet until I say
Nalasing
go.
ako eh.
Don't open yet.
Kaya ako nito ng marami.
Okay. Okay. Just a reminder, for each of the blanks, it can be 1 word missing or 2. Okay? It doesn't mean that the line contains only 1 word. So we have to fill it correctly. Okay? Okay. So we will. No cheats, come on, guys. This is the MOH prayer that we're praying every Sunday. 2 minutes. Okay? Okay, only 2 minutes. Okay. So is the MOH prayer.
Please.
The pretty ends. Nag-react sa music.
This is serious, guys. They don't want song. They don't want to play song because it can disturb their concentration.
Kagaling sumagot.
This is
Ito.
serious competition.
Abo, ang bilis din
guys.
magsulat ni Bing. Oh.
They want to win the smash
Go.
package.
Ipanalo ang grupo.
Wrong spelling wrong. Okay.
Wrong spelling wrong.
Wrong.
Ay, panalo
Guys,
to.
wrong spelling wrong.
Aspiring papi yan. The group.
Tama na sa mali pa yung spelling.
Oo, pag ano, pabilisan ba?
Wrong spelling wrong.
Tapos pabilisan din kung sino unang matapos.